Have you ever stopped to think about how headphones were invented? In the late 19th century, a man named Nathaniel Baldwin came up with an idea that would change the way we listen to music forever. Baldwin's invention was a set of headphones that used magnetic fields to produce sound. It was a breakthrough in audio technology, and soon, Baldwin's headphones were being used by the US Navy. Today, headphones are an essential part of our daily lives, allowing us to enjoy music, podcasts, and more without disturbing those around us. So next time you put on your headphones, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity and innovation that went into creating them.